Quality evaluation by Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. The avocado oils, the varieties Hass, Criollo and Feuert. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The Mexican avocado is a fruit recognized worldwide level due to the high quality of its nutrients. The main problem of the producers is the short time of maturation and oxidation that presents this fruit, because it has been demonstrated that the visual appearance of a product is the first impact that takes the consumer to acquire it. The avocado in Mexico has begun to industrialize in products such as paste and oil. Edible oils are obtained by two procedures: by pressing the fruit and with organic solvents. However, there are reports that indicate that the use of solvents affects the quality of the fatty acids, inducing the formation of trans isomers, which are banned in many countries as they can cause cardiovascular diseases and increase cholesterol when consumed in large quantities. The purpose of this work was to evaluate by Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) the avocado oils of the varieties Hass, Criollo and Feuert extracted by centrifugation (AHC, AFC and ACC) respectively, and with hexane (AHH, ACH and AFH) respectively, to determine its quality. The oil's evaluation was obtained by FTIR in the mid-region 600 to 4000 cm1. The Hass avocado oils were extracted by centrifugation and solvent methods. Transform infrared spectrometer FTIR Bruker Vertex 70 was used in the measurement mode called attenuated total reflectance (ATR). The AHC, AFC and ACC oils FTIR spectra show a very intense band at the frequency 723 cm1, which corresponds to the functional group CIS with a bending vibration mode. For the AFH, the trans-functional group was identified in the band cited at 968 cm1 with a strong intensity. The centrifuge method is an alternative for obtaining avocado oil because the degradation of the fatty acids is minimal and the green color is maintained. The sample that shows a higher concentration of trans was the Feuert variety avocado oil extracted by hexane solvent. Avocados are highly nutritious fruits known for their rich content of fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. In Mexico, avocados, especially the Hass variety, are widely consumed and exported due to their exceptional quality. These fruits are now increasingly processed into products like avocado paste and oil. Avocado oil is gaining popularity because it shares many beneficial components with olive oil, such as healthy fats and antioxidants. However, extracting avocado oil in a way that preserves its nutritional value and avoids harmful chemicals is a growing concern. Traditional oil extraction methods often involve high temperatures and chemical solvents, which can damage beneficial fats and release pollutants. This study focuses on two safer extraction methods, centrifugation and hexane extraction, to evaluate their impact on the oil quality of three avocado varieties, Hass, Criollo, and Feuert. The Criollo variety is of special interest because it is less commonly grown and at risk of disappearing. To analyze the quality of the oils, researchers used FTIR, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, a modern, non-polluting technique that quickly identifies different types and amounts of fatty acids in the oil without the use of harmful chemicals. This method helps determine how healthy and stable the oils are. The goal of the study is to compare these avocado oils and understand which method and variety produce the best quality oil. This information can help improve avocado oil production while preserving the health benefits of the fruit and supporting sustainable agricultural practices in Mexico. The centrifugation method can be an option for the extraction of avocado, all because the treatment does not increase significant deterioration of unsaturated fatty acids and the green color is maintained. In addition, the FTIR analysis identified a band of lower absorption associated with fatty acids with trans isomers in the band 968 cm1 for the samples of the avocado oils extracted by centrifugation. The sample that shows a higher concentration of trans was the Fuert variety avocado oil extracted by hexane solvent. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.